Good afternoon to all members of the press, to my fellow Cambodians who are following today's press briefing. This afternoon, I would like to provide some update following the interforce of the ceasefire between the Cambodian and Thai armed force on July 28, 2025. And after the extraordinary meeting of the GBC was concluded on August 7, 2025 as of today. First, starting from 10 a.m. as of 13 August 2025 up to 3 p.m. this afternoon, the situation at the front line along Paramilitary and Meanchey province remain calm and steady. Cambodian military force stand strong and fully vigilant in fulfilling their duty. Second, on August 12, 13, 2025, Thai Paramilitary force and the Thai border police officer inspected the area in front of the Banteay checkpoint, setting up barbed wire and placing tire in Banteay village, Obejuan commune, Ochero district, Banteay Meanchey province, in military region 5. Cambodia demand that the Thai side immediately and unconditional hold all action that violate the ceasefire and the spirit and consensus reached at the extraordinary meeting of the General Border Committee, particularly point 2 and point 4, which state: both sides agree to maintain their current troop deployment without further movement as it is at the time ceasefire reached at 24-hour local time on 28 July 2025. There shall be no troop movement, including patrol toward the other side position. As both sides agree not to undertake provocative action that may escalate tension, this includes military activity to enter the other side's airspace and territory or position as the ceasefire from 24-hour local times on 28 July 2025. Both sides agree to refrain from constructing or enhancing any military infrastructure or fortification beyond their own size. In line with the 2000 Memorandum of the Understanding MOU 2000 and in strict compliance with Article 5, the status quo must be maintained, and all activities that could cause environmental change in the border areas are prohibited. In areas without an existing agreement, negotiation and resolution must await the joint Cambodia-Thailand boundary and demarcation committee (JBC). Cambodia reaffirmed its firm and unequivocal commitment to fully respect and strictly implement and ceasefire reached on 28 July 2025, as well as the certain point agreement adopted at the extraordinary meeting of the Cambodia-Thailand General Border Committee (GBC) on the 7th August 2025. Under observation of Malaysia, the United States of America, and the People's Republic of China, Cambodia once again called on Thailand to uphold the spirit of the ceasefire in order to achieve a peaceful resolution to the issue in accordance with the principle of international law, ensuring a just, impartial, and fair outcome, and will bring peace and prosperity to both nations and people. Third point, Cambodia continues to urge the Thai side to fully implement the above agreement and to return the 18 military personnel to Cambodia so they may reunite with their families who have been waiting days and nights. It is important to emphasize that these Cambodian soldiers were illegally arrested by the Thai force on the morning of 29 July 2025, immediately after the ceasefire came into effect, and have now been held in custody for 15 days, 8 hours and 10 minutes as of 4 p.m. this afternoon. I would like also to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the many partners countries and international organizations that has repeatedly called on the Thai side to release our 18 military personnel without delay. Fully implementation of the ceasefire by both sides will create a favorable atmosphere for restore peace, stability, and normalcy to the relationship between our two countries. This is something that not only our two people desire, but the whole world wish to see, as demonstrated by the many messages of the congratulations and support for the ceasefire agreement and the positive outcomes of the Cambodia-Thailand General Border Committee's extraordinary meeting. Cambodia is committed to work constructively, sincerely, and in close cooperation with Thailand, Malaysia, other ASEAN members countries, and all relevant partners such as the United States of America and the People's Republic of China to ensure the effective and full implementation of the ceasefire and to resolve all disputes peacefully in accordance with international law, the UN Charter, and the ASEAN Charter. Thank you.